In this video, we're going to solve an exponential equation that has two bases, base 7, base 5. And we're going to start off by taking the log, and we could pick various bases. We could use base 10, log to base 5, the natural log. We could use log to base 10. But if you're going to find an approximation for the solution, I suggest either base natural log to base c, or the natural log function, or log to base 10, because that's what your calculator has. So I'm going to start by using natural log to both sides here. Well, I'll take it back. I could do that. I could take the natural log of both sides and use properties of logs, bring the exponent in front of the log and so forth. But let me do this instead. I'm going to rewrite this using properties of exponents. So 7 with an exponent of x minus 3 can be written as 7 to the x times 7 to the minus 3. Properties of exponents, put it back together, I would add these and I come up with the same thing I started off with. And then on the left side, still got the 5 to the x. And then I'm going to rewrite this as 7 to the x. Laws of exponents, in this case law of negative exponents. Negative exponent, take it to the bottom, becomes positive. Exponent like that. 5 to the x. Multiply both sides by 7 to the third power. So this cancels over here. And then I've got 7 to the x is equal to 5 to the x times 7 to the third. And I'm going to divide here by 5 to the x. 5 to the x here. This divides out. And I've got 7 to the x and 5 to the x. Again, using the property of exponents, I can rewrite this as 7 over 5 to the x power. And then over here, I'm left with 7 to the third power. But I take the natural log of both sides here. Again, I could have used base 10, but this is what I have right here, and this is the next right here. Another property of logs here, this exponent can come as a coefficient. I can move this exponent here, the same thing with this one. So this can be written then as x natural log of 7 over 5. Do the same thing on the right side. This exponent can become a coefficient here. That's the property of logs. It's going to be a 3 ln of 7. This is just a number here. It's like if you had 2x, you divide through by 2 to isolate the x. I'm going to divide by that. So x is equal to, dividing both sides by natural log of 7/5, it's going to cancel it on the left side, and I'll leave me on the right side with 3 ln of 7 over ln 7/5. And you could actually give it, if they want an exact answer, this would be the exact answer. If they want an approximation to a certain number of decimal places, you can go ahead and just use a calculator here, graphing calculator or scientific calculator. 3 times the natural log of 7 divided by the natural log of 7/5. And we'll run that to 2 places, 2 decimal places. This will be 17 point, or decimal, 35. Again, 17.35 is the approximation to 2 places, and 3 natural log of 7 over natural log of 7/5 is the exact answer. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.